Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. Texas Governor Greg Abbott pledged to overhaul the state's electric grid operator after a massive blackout left residents without heat, power, or water for days. Abbott made the remarks during a news conference from the State Emergency Operations Center in the state capital, Austin. More than 20 people were killed in Texas in the winter storms that brought sub-freezing temperatures for days, cutting power of almost entire state. New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern said that her government was backing a new project that uses drone technology to understand and protect the endangered Maui dolphins in the country. Maui dolphins live in a small stretch of oceans off the west coast of New Zealand's northern island, and current estimates suggest that only 63 dolphins older than 1 year remain, raising concerns that they may soon become extinct. The unmanned aerial vehicle is capable of finding and tracking Maui dolphins using artificial intelligence. Fruit and vegetable traders met Iranian Consul General in Lahore Mohammad Raza Nizari, led by Mohammad Akram Multani. The event was also attended by business delegation led by business leader and Central Information Secretary of All Pakistan Production of Agriculture Mahmood Bismillah. Gracing the meeting, Rana Wasim, Mohammad Rana Riaz, Ahmad Fayaz Hassan, and Javed Bhatti were also present. Speaking in the meeting, Akram Multani said that dry milk should be allowed to trade between Iran and Pakistan as Pakistan needs dry milk. The Iranian ambassador to Pakistan said that onion crop is abundant in Iran. There is large number of crops that are growing of onions specifically in Iran and Pakistani traders should import it. Remnants believed to be from a rocket were seen re-entering Earth's atmosphere above the skies of Queensland. Videos showed bright spark where the apparent space debris had burnt up. The Australian Broadcasting Corporation reported that the debris was from a Chinese Long March rocket. A growing amount of broken satellites and rocket parts had raised concern over congestion, which increases the risk of collision in space that can cause serious damage to space aircraft. Myanmar police fired near protesters in the main city, sending them fleeing as the challenge to the army's bid to reimpose its rule showed no sign of slacking. There were no immediate reports of injuries. The Southeastern Asian nation has been in crisis since the army seized power on February 1 and detained civilian government leader. There have been daily protests and strikes by democracy supporters for about 3 weeks, often drawing hundreds of thousands of people across the diverse country. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.